So we are discussing test series 7, question number 26, which belongs to the topic of transducers and more specifically to the resistive transducers. So question number 26 goes as, a thermocouple system has a time constant of 10 seconds. This system is used to measure the temperature of a furnace which fluctuates sinusoidally between 640 degrees Celsius and 600 degrees Celsius with a periodic time of 80 seconds. The maximum and minimum values of the temperature indicated is respectively, and then they have given you 4 options. Fine. So now for this we'll go step by step and then we'll see that how we are going to solve this. Okay, so first of all they said that the temperature oscillates about a mean value of between 640 to 600 degrees Celsius. So the mean value can be written as 640 plus 600 because it oscillates between the two. So just take the average of that. So you have the 620 degree as the mean value. Okay, so with an amplitude of 20 degrees Celsius. So now we'll just see that what is the amplitude of that. So it says that it's oscillates sinusoidally. Fine. So I'll draw one sine wave and then the other wave. So they have a phase difference between them like this. So it is 640 and then mean value is 620. Fine, this is the mean value and this value is 600. Fine. 600. It is 600 and it is 640. This value is 640 and this value is 620. Fine. So it is a mean value and it oscillates in between these two. So sometimes it becomes 640, sometimes it becomes 620, and like that it oscillates. Okay, so the mean value we found out is 620. Fine. So if you see the amplitude from 620 to 640, this amplitude, it comes out to be 20 degrees Celsius. Fine. Simply we have substituted 640 and 620, so the amplitude of this wave comes to be 20 degree. And if you take this value, so this comes out to be 15 degree. Simply subtract from the graph. Fine. So this is your input waveform and this is your output waveform. Fine. So this temperature becomes 635.7 degrees Celsius and the bottom one becomes 604.3 degrees Celsius. Fine. So the amplitude of 20 degree Celsius is shown below. So you have this. So the frequency of oscillations will calculate. So the frequency of oscillations, it will be omega 2 pi f. So 2 pi by 80. Fine. So which comes out to be equal to 0.0785 radians per second. Fine. Now amplitude of output above the mean position is, so for that, so amplitude of output about the mean position, it will be A0 AI under root of 1 plus omega square tau square. So which comes out to be the amplitude we have just seen in the graph, it is 20 degrees Celsius. Then 1 plus we have just find out omega value, that comes out to be 0.0785 into 10 whole square. Fine. So therefore the maximum temperature will be, so maximum temperature will be 620 was the average or the mean, and after solving the above equation you are getting 15.7 degrees Celsius, so it comes out to be 635.7 degrees Celsius, and minimum will be 620 was the average or mean minus 15.7 degree, it comes out to be 604.3 degrees Celsius. And these 2 points we have mentioned in the graph previously. Whatever that sign of a graph we have drawn, in this graph we have mentioned 635 and 604. So if you see the options, then your option number A, which says 635.7 degrees and 604.3 degrees Celsius is correct. So for this, your option number A is correct. So question number 26, option number A is correct.